Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create the yearbook trend on CapCut. So it's pretty easy because you're just going to use a template. I'm just going to go to me and find the template that I've already liked. It is by Dora31. You can just search this up on templates. So if you go to template right here and like search the name up, or you can also search yearbook trend. There's going to be a lot of options, as you can see, but I will be using the one that I liked. So go and click that, use template, and select the photos you want. This will use the same photo, so just choose 2 photos. You can also edit it here, so you can drag the video to expected position or not. It is totally up to you. Then select preview, and then you can also edit the text here. So edit the text on this one. For instance, this one, I'm just going to change it. So press edit and then write down the name. For instance, Taylor Swift. Done. And then on the second one, you just click on it, press edit, and write down something like the music industry. And then you're just going to press done. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!